student, today we are going to start with chapter 16, that is India's role in world peace. So in this chapter, we will study about the active membership of the UN and non-aligned movement. So India has always followed the policy of peace. Its non-violent freedom struggle is an example of India's love for peace. It has contributed significantly in the peace efforts of United Nations. राइट और इंडिया जो है वन ऑफ द फाउंडिंग मेंबर है यूनाइटेड नेशन का. एक्टिव मेंबरशिप क्या है यूएन की? इंडिया हैज प्लेड एन एक्टिव रोल. इंडिया ने क्या करा, एक एक्टिव रोल प्ले करा है एज अ फाउंडर मेंबर ऑफ यूएन. राइट, इंडिया वाज द मेंबर ऑफ ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी ऑफ यूएन चार्टर. इंडिया क्या है, मेंबर है ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी का यूएन चार्टर का 1945 से. एंड इंडिया पार्टिसिपेट इन पीस कीपिंग ऑपरेशन इन कॉन्गो, Cyprus, Lebanon, and it helped China to gain membership of UN. So peacekeeping efforts by India have had the UN कि वो क्या avoid करे escalation of war in Korea. Vietnam, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan. India supported Bangladesh liberation movement at the cost of her own security. क्योंकि इंडिया किसको सपोर्ट कर रहा है? बांग्लादेश को, राइट, अपनी सिक्योरिटी पे. So there has been discussion on the increase in the number of permanent members. The countries who have made the strongest demands for permanent seats are Brazil, Germany, India, Japan. Indeed, Japan and Germany are the UN's second and the third largest founder respectively, with Brazil, the largest South America nation, or India's world's second most populous country. Right? अगर हम बात करें world largest democracy की, the two of the largest contributors of the troops of UN. Mandated peacemaking mission. This project has found opposition by the group of countries, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, uniting of concerns. फिर non-aligned movement. After the Second World War, देखो सब Second World War हो जाता है तो वर्ल्ड को हमने दो मेजर ट्राइबल कैंप्स में डिवाइड कर. These camps blocks were led by the US and the former USSR. America and USSR, ये दोनों क्या थे? दोनों ही सुपर पावर थे. Each group has several member countries. Besides, there are several military pacts in NATO, which is led by US. Warsaw Pact, that is led by USSR. NATO को कौन देख रहा था? USA. और Warsaw Pact को कौन देख रहा था? USSR. So these pact granted क्या थे? ये मिलिट्री प्रोटेक्शन के लिए थे and several other benefits के लिए थे. So there was intense rivalry between them, is from Cold War कहते हैं. And Cold War was the period of conflict. यहाँ पे conflict हो रही थी, tension हो रही थी, competitions हो रहे थे between the United States and Soviet Union and their representative allies from mid 1940 until early 1990. Though this period, the rivalry between the two superpowers was played out in the multiple areas. आपको multiple areas में देखने को मिलेगी जहाँ पे military coalition हो रहा था, ideology, psychology and your espionage. So we have मिलिट्री, इंडस्ट्रियल एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट, जिसमें आपके स्पेस रेस हो गया, कोई भी कोस्टल डिफेंस स्पेंडिंग हो गई, मैसिव कन्वेक्शनल और न्यूक्लियर आर्म रेस हो गई, एंड मेनी प्रॉक्सी वॉर. At that time, some countries have won their freedom recently and they were reluctant to join either the two camps because it could put them under a subjugation of powerful. So some leaders जैसे प्रेसिडेंट थे नसेफ of Egypt, Tito of Yugoslavia, and we have Prime Minister Nehru of India. They met at Belgrade, Yugoslavia. और कब मीट करते हैं? 1961 में. And इन्होंने डिसाइड करा to stay non-aligned and they initiated the movement non-aligned movement. Many countries joined the movement. अगर हम आज की बात करें, we have 114 countries interested to protect their freedom in world peace. This movement is trying to develop trade and commerce among them. ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ट्रेड और कॉमर्स दोनों चीज को डेवलप कर रहे हैं among themselves. And the member of NAM continue to the member of UN. Within the UN, they have formed a group. उस ग्रुप को क्या बोला जाता है? ग्रुप ऑफ 77, जो वर्क करता है अनटाइडली. इंडिया प्ले अ की रोल इन इट एंड टुडे NAM इज रिस्पेक्टेड बाय ऑल एंड this has been the greatest contribution of India in maintaining peace in the. सबसे बड़ा contribution रहा जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो? मेंटेन कर सकते हो peace in the world, right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.